This was my first year having a successful cabbage harvest. They're small, but that's okay. So we're gonna peel off some of the outside layers that's wilted. And usually I use a kraut cutter, but I'm just gonna chop them up this time. So I'm gonna quarter them and chop them pretty thin. We're gonna make sauerkraut out of them. And pretty much this is just like a ferment. You don't really can it. You're gonna pour boiling water in there and it's just gonna ferment. You gotta let it sit for a while. I'm gonna cut the stalk out of this one. When you have your cabbage all chopped, you're going to pack your cabbage into your jars. I like to use wide mouth because it's a lot easier. You're going to want to pack this as hard as you can. Put half a teaspoon of salt in each one, okay?
One of them in each one?
Yes, and then in this one, don't put any in this one yet, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna get your water boiling, and then you're gonna fill your jars up to ½ inch headspace. You can use canned salt when you put salt in this, or you can use real sea salt like I did. It's just totally up to what you want to do. And that's all there is to making kraut. It's one of the most simplest, easiest things you could do.